Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm just going to try to make this as short, sweet, and simple as I possibly can. Alright, currently the market is not doing too much, obviously, right? Wednesday we have FOMC minutes and we have CPI data coming out, right? Immediately we are holding 408. We are continuing to close above the 22.6% fib on the SPY at 408, right? Obviously, and we're tapping the 410 level. What I wanted to see was basically what we need to see for a strong move, in my opinion, is a close above 412, right? Ideally, right now, definitely tomorrow, we would need to see some sort of close above a 412, 412.50 to comfortably continue up. The MACD on the SPY is falling lower, but the price of the SPY is going higher. It's holding support. And that is primarily due to the strength that we are seeing out of the NASDAQ and the IWM, actually. So the NASDAQ, you can see in terms of the MACD, has a lot more room to go to the upside. It is still currently oversold on the MACD. And you could also see, similar to the SPY, we're closing above the 22.6% fib at 317.65. And it was basically just a buy the dip day today for the SPY and the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ has more room to go to the upside in terms of the MACD as it crosses above. You know, the NASDAQ can continue going up higher, but again, it's not a guarantee that that's going to happen. Today was really mostly a nothing burger, and the IWM was showing the most strength. It was up 1% today, and we bounced from in between the 50% fib to the 6.8% fib, and we are now within the zone between the 22.6% fib and the 38.2. So we reclaimed the 38.2% fib. We closed above 175, and now basically we just need to see if this continues up. The MACD on the IWM is also oversold, so that means that there's still room to go to the upside on the IWM as well, similar to what we saw on the NASDAQ. But aside from that, there's truly not really much else to look at. Apple showed some strength towards the end of the day as well. And I mean, I really can't think of anything else to look at. I mean, everything else just looks flat, and everything is purely just anticipating Wednesday. But overall, you know, the easiest thing to do is if we get a break above 412.50, 413, if we can start breaking above higher, that would be great. That would be easier to be bullish. Or, you know, as we held 408 today, that was another reason to be bullish. But, you know, these the red lines that I have here, if you guys didn't watch the video yesterday, is the non-farm payroll dates that we had for the past few months. So every single time this has happened, it signaled some sort of a reversal in the market, right? So every single time you could look at all of these red lines, they signaled the tops or the bottoms for the markets so far, right? So now is this going to mean that this is going to be a top and we're going to fall back down? You can see that we're in an ascending triangle here on the SPY. So are we going to now reverse back and come back down here, and then are we going to break above here? But really today didn't really help much. So we're gonna have to see how we open tomorrow. It's not the best, you know, means of a setup for anything really, but this is technically a bullish setup. Obviously, we closed above yesterday's highs. But the easiest time to be bullish would be a close above these local highs at 412.50. All right. Aside from that, you know, there's nothing really much else to talk about. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Take care. I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. Thank you.